The alien. I think I want to lucid dream. Well, I have done it before. Basically, the last time I did it, it was so brief. I came to for maybe a few seconds, and in front of me was a gold framed painting of Mariah Carey. It was a black background. She was sort of green screened in, and it was just a big framed painting, and I had a red lipstick in my hand, and I wrote something on the painting in red lipstick, and I can't remember what it was, and then that's all I remember. And then I think I just went into a normal dream or woke up. I don't know, but that's the closest I've got to it. But I really, really want to go full lucid dream, flying in the sky, talking to people and stuff. So that's the mission. I've been watching a lot of videos. I've watched many YouTube videos of people trying to do the same. People giving advice, talking about their experiences. I've done my research. I've got myself my little journal, which I was using as a normal journal but couldn't stick to it. So now it's a dream journal. And that's about that. Normally I wake up during the night to go for a wee at maybe 4 or 5 anyway, which is a few hours into my sleep, so that's quite good. It's 2:20 a.m. I should probably go to sleep really. Night one of trying to... I still see your shadows in my room. I have these lucid dreams. My journal. It didn't work. I mean, I had dreams, but not lucid ones. Didn't dream. Well, again, I dreamt, and I remember, I remembered some of it, but then I forgot it when I woke up, when I went to go write it down. That's day 3, day 2, day 3. Actually, let me show you what I got shopping today. First of all, I got some wide leg linen black trousers from H&M. Because I had these last year, but they were way too short, and I also lost them. Pretty much the same, but in khaki. But this is more of a beach cover-up type of thing. Kind of lighter, but also would work as nice normal trousers. And then I got the same trousers, but in grey, a light grey. Nice. And then I freaking just got the same top twice in 2 different colours because it was $2.99 from the kids section in H&M. And I got a white one, and then I just got a black one. Oh, hold on. Then I just got a black one. I think those would be nice with those trousers. Oh, and then I got some jeggings. Yes, jeggings. Literally though, they literally just look like flare jeans, apart from this bit, which I normally wear long t-shirts anyway, so you can't even see that. These just look like jeans, and I hate wearing jeans. So if I can wear jeans without wearing jeans, then that's a win to me. And then I just got 2 bikinis. I got a bright pink, just a triangle one, and then a plain black one. So I'm thinking I can mix and match them and then also wear the tops as summer tops, if it's ever hot enough for that. Some white socks. Some coffee incense. Now I'm telling you, this is the best. Well, actually, I know that this is the best because I'm watching this. You know that this is the best, and we haven't been able to find it for ages. But I found it in the middle of Canterbury, so I got 2 of those. I got a new eyelash curler because Molly Westlake used a new one and her eyelashes looked so curly, and mine was really old, so I got a new one. And then I got some little hoops. Just some little hoops, because I've only got big hoops, so I got some little hoops. And that's what I got. I went for lunch at this gorgeous little Japanese place, And yeah, oh, we got cocktails from La Sequana as well. I didn't film anything, sorry, but it's just me,